this is Optimal Otaku, and I'm going to do an unboxing of Racing Miku 2011 version. As you can see, my figure of Miku came in today, and it took 2 weeks to get here from Japan through cell shipment. So this is the back side of the box, the side and the top, and the front. So right now let's start unboxing it first. I had a rough time opening it, so I'm gonna move forward a little bit. So as you can see, it came with like other figures. This is how it comes packaged, as you can see from the front, and the base is included in the bits. And the back side. Okay, let's go into details for this figure. As you can see, this is a Racing Miku 2011 version. The manufacturer is Good Smile Racing. The scale is 1/8, and the original price is around 8,300 yen, which comes approximately $100 US. This is the Goddess of Victory, who led the 2011 Series Champions. The Racing Miku is the official mascot for the 2011 Super GT 300 Class Series Champions. And the details of this figure is, this lovely figure is based on Racing Miku's original illustration by Yoichi Murakami, and has been sculpted to faithfully reproduce even the smallest of the details of the original design. Even the dynamic pose of the hair has been preserved, as well as the unique transparent feeling of her outfit and parasol. It's a figure filled with highlights for both fans and Miku and fans of the racing team. You can get this currently right now from Hobby Search or AmiAmi. You can expect a written review later this month on my blog. Please subscribe and like this video. I would also have 2 more video unboxing of the Nendoriods later this month. Until then, thank you for watching.